Number 1.
1992 Chevrolet S10, price $7,200. It has approximately 190,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission.
Finished in blue inside and out, the truck presents exceptionally well.
The cabin is in excellent condition, the seat remains in great shape, and both the air conditioning and heater work properly. The truck has been lowered 4 inches using spindles, blocks, and springs, while all original suspension parts are included for anyone wanting to return it to stock height. It also benefits from a recently rebuilt front end, including new control arms, ball joints, and steering components, followed by a proper alignment.
Number 2.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,995, powered by a strong 5.3L V8 gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It delivers dependable power for daily driving, hauling, or light work duties. With 281,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has proven its reliability over the years and continues to run and drive great. The truck features an attractive red exterior that gives it a bold presence on the road, complemented by a comfortable tan leather interior that adds a touch of luxury to the cabin. The leather seats are in good condition and provide a comfortable ride for both the driver and passengers.
Overall, the truck presents very well inside and out, reflecting the care it has received throughout its life.
Combining a powerful V8 engine, automatic transmission, clean appearance, and comfortable interior, this Chevrolet 1500 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and capable pickup truck that is ready to roll.
Number 3.
2000 Ford Ranger, price $7,495, is a southern rust-free truck with only 92,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 3.0L V6 engine paired with a manual transmission.
Featuring an extended cab, two-wheel drive, and flex fuel capability, it offers a practical combination of utility, efficiency, and driving enjoyment.
The truck is finished in gold inside and out, giving it a classic and distinctive look. According to its clean Carfax report, this Ranger has never been involved in an accident. It has been well maintained with new tires, a fresh oil change, and new spark plugs and wires. With a clean interior and exterior, it runs and drives great and is ready for its next owner.
Number 4.
2000 Toyota Tacoma, price $6,900, is a well-maintained classic pickup truck that showcases the durability and reliability Toyota trucks are known for. With 290,000 miles, a gasoline engine, and a desirable 5-speed manual transmission, it continues to run and drive great. The truck is finished in a black exterior with a clean beige interior, offering a timeless look that remains appealing both on and off the road. It also comes with a clean title and is reported to have no known mechanical issues. The vehicle has been kept in good condition, featuring a clean interior and exterior along with a fully functional air conditioning system for added comfort. Everything works as it should, making this Tacoma a dependable choice for daily driving, work duties, or anyone looking for a classic truck with a proven track record of longevity.
Ready for its next owner, this Tacoma combines practicality, durability, and classic Toyota quality in one package. Number 5.
1965 GMC C10, price $8,500, powered by a 327 V8 engine paired with a floor-shifted automatic transmission and has approximately 123,000 miles. Finished in its original red exterior with a silver interior, the truck retains its factory GMC custom trim and displays an attractive amount of original patina. It runs and drives well and features the desirable big back window, functional lights and turn signals, working heater and defroster, a solid frame, excellent original cap corners, and well-preserved front chrome trim. The truck is equipped with a plastic fuel tank mounted in the toolbox, as the original tank is no longer present, and it comes with 6-bolt alloy wheels and tires with good tread. The windshield is cracked, and the bed floor is missing. There is some localized rust in the rocker panels, beneath the threshold plates, and a small rust-through area at the bottom of the tailgate.
Number 6. 1975 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, powered by a gasoline-fueled small-block V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. Showing approximately 123,000 miles, the truck features a black exterior and black interior and comes equipped with power steering, a fan clutch, an Edelbrock carburetor, a new fuel filter, front disc brakes, dual fuel tanks, a rear sliding window, and an automatic transmission. The body is reported to be relatively straight for its age, while all exterior lights and windshield wipers are in working condition. According to the previous owner, the truck had been sitting for about 10 years before being brought back to running condition. It currently starts, drives, and stops, although it could benefit from a tune-up and carburetor rebuild to perform at its best. The vehicle comes with current registration and a clean title in hand. Given its long period of storage and the additional mechanical attention it may require, towing the truck home is recommended. Number 7. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. It has 101,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and is powered by a gasoline engine. It features a red exterior with a matching red interior and runs well with no warning lights on the dashboard. The original seats are in excellent condition with no tears or rips, and the truck has only minimal rust for its age. The vehicle has been well maintained and comes with a clean title. The air conditioning is not working properly and may need a Freon recharge, while the right side window requires a new motor because it does not roll down. Overall, this is a clean and reliable classic pickup truck. Number 8. 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $9,000, powered by a 5.2-liter gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior and a gray interior, with the odometer reading approximately 171,000 miles. The transmission was serviced at the same time, including a fluid flush, new gasket, and new pan. The frame remains exceptionally solid with its factory paint still intact, while the body is virtually rust-free aside from a small quarter-sized spot on the tailgate. The rockers and cab corners are also in excellent condition. The truck sits on attractive 20-inch fuel wheels and offers a remarkably clean interior with no dashboard cracks or upholstery tears. Modern upgrades include an Apple CarPlay head unit, an upgraded sound system with subwoofers, and a custom Starlight headliner. Additional improvements such as new headlights, turn signals, and fog lights enhance both appearance and functionality. Number 9. 1971 Dodge D150, price $10,000. It has 109,000 miles and is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in orange with a black interior, it runs and drives great. The Slant 6 engine has been rebuilt and upgraded with a performance camshaft, and it features an 8.75 rear end. The body is in very good condition, and the heater works properly. With its strong mechanical condition, attractive color combination, and well-maintained body, this Dodge D150 is a great example of a classic truck that is ready to be enjoyed. Number 10. 1996 Dodge Ram 3500, price $7,500, with 135,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. This truck continues to offer the durability and capability that Dodge heavy-duty trucks are known for. Finished in a classic red exterior with a gray interior and powered by a gasoline engine, it combines practical functionality with timeless styling. Designed for serious work, this Ram 3500 ST is well suited for hauling, towing, farm use, or anyone in need of a dependable heavy-duty truck. Its strong construction, straightforward mechanical design, and proven reliability make it a desirable choice for those who appreciate older trucks that are built to last. The truck retains the iconic Dodge styling of the mid-1990s, giving it a distinctive presence while delivering the utility and performance expected from a 1-ton pickup.